we are going to conduct an experiment, that is specific gravity. So we are going to find the specific gravity of an object. Here we are taking sand. So what is specific gravity, and or specific gravity is also called relative density. So what is relative density? We all know that density is mass per unit volume. So relative density is the density of an object to the density of the reference material. That means relative density will be density of the object. Here we are taking sand, and to the divided by density of the reference material. Here we are taking water as reference material. We all know that density of water at 4 degrees centigrade is equals to 1. Whenever we are going to measure the relative density of the sand, what we are going to do, that density is equivalent to the mass. So we are going to consider exact volume of water and exact volume of sand. So we can cancel the volume and the density will be equivalent to the mass of the object and mass of water only. So this way we are going to perform our experiment. This is called specific gravity bottle. So we are going to measure the weight of the empty bottle first. Then, so that will be considered as W1. Next we are going to fill it completely with water. We are going to measure that weight also. And next, this is sand. We are going to fill the bottle with sand and measure the weight also. It is called spring balance. So one side we are going to place the empty bottle or the bottle filled with sand or the bottle filled with water. Other side we are going to put the equivalent weights. So this is the first step, measuring the weight. Next we are going to calculate by observation table. This is the observation table for specific gravity. So we can see W1 is weight of the empty bottle, W2 is weight of bottle with sand, W3 is weight of bottle completely filled with water and sand, and W4 is weight of the bottle completely filled with water. So after calculating W1, W2, W3 and W4, we can calculate specific gravity. Since we already discussed that specific gravity will be equivalent to the mass of the object and mass of the water. So what will be the corrected specific gravity? That will be S equals to S1 into SW. S1 means specific gravity of the object and SW is specific gravity of the water. So we know specific gravity of the water is 1. So whatever reading we are going to take here, that will be the corrected specific gravity. Now, how to use the spring balance? I have placed the empty bottle at one side, and one side I am going to place weights. But before that, we have to move this knob. Now we are going to put weights, and this will be in middle position again. So next have a look. You can see that it is in middle position. So we can consider that the weight is accurate. And then we have to note down. So I have taken 10 and 2 and 2. So it is 14 gram. Next, I am going to fill the bottle with water and measure the reading of it. So the weight of the completely filled water and bottle is 20 plus 5. That is, now I am taking the specific gravity bottle filled with sand. So now the other side we are going to put weight. So no, this is, we have to place less weight. Till now we are giving gram weight. Now I am putting milligram weight. You can see the indicator is displacing. Okay, but it is not in middle position. We have to balance till it is in middle position. Now you can see the indicator is in opposite side. So this side it indicates that here I have given more weight. So we have to balance again. So now we can observe that both positions are in balance. So the total will be 25.700 gram. Where we have taken the sand, we added water with it. Now we are going to measure the weight of sand, water and the bottle. After getting the balance position, we have to note down this reading also. So the reading is 20 plus 10 plus 2 plus 0.400 plus 0.100, total in grams, so 32.50 gram. So we have completed our experiment and we have got 7% error. That is acceptable, a good experiment.